In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Wrike. Let's start from inside your Wrike workspace. First, make sure you're in the right area where your work is organized. In this example, we're going to open the campaign management section. This might be a folder, a project, or a space in your account that contains your marketing or campaign-related tasks. Go ahead and navigate there now, so you're looking at your usual work view, like the table or list of items. Once you're in campaign management, look towards the top of the screen for the main toolbar. You'll see several options, and among them, there should be one labeled More. This is where Wrike keeps some of the additional tools and views that aren't shown by default. Click on More to expand that menu. From the expanded menu, find and select Dashboards. This will take you out of the standard task or project view and into Wrike's dashboard area. Dashboards are really useful for giving you a high-level overview of your work, letting you see key projects, tasks, and statuses in one place instead of clicking around multiple folders. Once you're in the dashboard section, look for the area where you can choose which type of dashboard you want to work with. You'll see a highlighted section or button that lets you pick from available dashboard templates or views. Click on that highlighted area. This is essentially telling Wrike that you want to either create or switch to a specific dashboard layout. From the options that appear, select Projects Dashboard. This type of dashboard is ideal if you want to track multiple projects at once, keep an eye on their progress, and quickly spot anything that's running behind. When you click on Projects Dashboard, Wrike will either load an existing layout or set up a standard one focused on your projects. Take a moment to look at the widgets and panels that appear. These will usually show you project statuses, timelines, or key tasks. Finally, within this dashboard view, look for a section or tab labeled Sunday. Click on Sunday. This is often used as a way to focus on work related to that specific day, such as tasks due or planned for Sunday. It can help you plan your week and see what's coming up at a glance, and that's it. By following these steps, you've navigated to campaign management, opened the dashboards area, selected a project's dashboard, and focused it on the Sunday view to better manage your workload.